बडदे मॅडम फ्रॉम शहर टाकळी हायस्कूल शहर टाकळी. Standard 8 subject General Science. Chapter number 10 Cell and Cell Organelles. We have studied this chapter today. We note that there are many components in cell which are known as cell organelles. Every body is consist of many more cells. In last year in standard 7th we have studied that the structural and functional unit of any living organism is known as cell. A cell of plant is known as plant cell and cell of animals is known as animal cell. These figures we have seen in last year in standard 7. This green one is known as plant cell and this cell is known as animal cells. We know that some components in these two cells are similar or common, but some components are present in plant cell but absent in animal cell, while some organelles are present in animal cell but absent in plant cell. Now recall these two cells in this lecture. Here I have a figure of these two cells. This is plant cell and this is animal cell. First we see cell wall. The meaning of this is as of its name, that is wall of the cell, which is known as cell wall. The two cells are joined with this cell wall. As आपल्या घरात जसं दोन घरं किंवा दोन रूम एका कॉमन भिंतीद्वारे एकमेकीशी जोडलेले असतात, तसंच याच्यामध्ये देखील दोन सेल्स एकमेकांशी या सेल वॉलच्या द्वारे जोडल्या जातात. नेक्स्ट देर इज सेल मेम्ब्रेन. दिस सेल वॉल इज प्रेझेंट ओनली इन प्लांट सेल बट absent in animal cell. Next organelle is cell membrane, which is present in both the cell. Cell membrane is present in both the cell. Whole this cell is covered by this cell membrane and all organelles are scattered in this cytoplasm. That is a fluid which is present in any cell and all organelles are floating on this cytoplasm. Here there are free ribosomes, then Golgi bodies. These pink ones are Golgi bodies. Golgi body and free ribosomes are present in both the cells. Then next organelle is vacuoles. Vacuoles in plant cell are smaller than that of vacuoles in animal cell are smaller than that of plant cell. Then there is endoplasmic reticulum which is present in both the cells. At the center there is nucleus. Nucleus is head of family, that means a present or most important part of any cell, which is similar to brain in our body. Nucleus is present in this plant cell as well as in this animal cell. Then lysosome. These lysosomes are present only in plant cell, but lysosomes are present only in animal cell but absent in plant cell. Then there are mitochondrion which are also present in both the cells. One organelle which is most important in plant cell, that's why plant cells are cell developed, which is known as chloroplast. The plant cell made their food with the help of this chloroplast. Chloroplast is only present in plant cell but it absent in animal cell. This is differentiation points in both these cells. In our textbook, we have given a chart having 3 columns: component, animal cell and plant cell. See first organelle, cell membrane, which is present in animal cell and also plant cell. Second, cell wall present in plant cell but absent in animal cell. Similar to these all points, we must fill up this table with help of these figures. So fill up this differentiation form and write down in your notebook. Understood? Okay. We see remaining part in next lecture. Bye.